Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Cleo AI application. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or turn on notifications and alerts for this app on your device. So let's get started right away. When you open up the Cleo application for the first time, you will see the Get Started option. If you tap on this, you can sign up and create your new account. You may use your Google account or sign up manually with email as well. When the sign up process is completed, before you see the option to link your bank account, you will also find the option to allow notifications. You can simply tap on the Allow button to enable these notifications. If you don't find this option, then long press on the Cleo AI application and then go into App Info. Now from the App Info page, tap on Forced Stop to stop the application. After the application is stopped, go into Manage Notifications. You will then see the Allow Notification toggle. Simply tap on this button, which will then enable the Cleo AI notifications. You can also check into the various categories of notification and enable or disable based on your desire. After enabling these settings, you can go back into the Cleo application, and after this point on, anytime something happens within your app, you will get a notification on your panel. You can turn this off by following the same steps and then turning off the toggle for notifications. So there you have it. That is how you can enable notifications on the Cleo AI app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.